National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Benton County in West Tennessee, southeastern Henry County in West Tennessee, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Springville, or 10 miles southeast of Paris, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Camden, Hagler Ridge, Nathan Bedford Forest State Park, Springville, Manleyville, Spring Creek, Big Sandy, and Old Springville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for West Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Benton and Henry.